How to add payment method into Pandora Jewellery account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your Pandora Jewellery account. You will land to this kind of page. Now over here you're gonna find different options. In order to be able to add payment method in your account, you will need to make an order. So go ahead and select any of the item to purchase. For instance, I will be selecting this ring. All you have to do is click on the item that you want to purchase. Click on the option of Quick Shop. Now select the details of your product and then click on Add to Bag. Once you are done with adding items to the cart, at the top right you will find this option, View Bag or Checkout. Click on the option of Checkout. With that you will land to this page. Now you have to provide your shipping details. So go ahead and fill this form. After you are done, scroll down and click on this option, Next Delivery Method. Now you have to select your delivery method. You can set it to standard shipping or express shipping. After you select it, scroll down. Click on this option of Next Payment. Now from this page, you are able to add payment to your Pandora Jewellery account. Pandora Jewellery accepts cards like Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, PayPal. For the payment, you can also add a coupon code or gift card. If you want to add coupon code or gift card, you can click on these options. Now scroll down and head towards this section of payment method. From here, you can select credit card, likewise PayPal, Afterpay and other options given over here. All you need to do is check in for it. For instance, I have selected credit card. After you select any of the card, now you have to provide the card details such as card number, expiry date, security code. If you want to save this payment as the default one, you can check in for this option of Save for my payment. Once you fill this, at the very bottom you'll find the option of Place your order. You can click on it and with that you will be good to go. So this way you can easily add payment method on your Pandora Jewellery account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.